We already have members in the Discord community who are eating off of the gold and NASDAQ signals that we offer, but we are going to go ahead and take it up a notch. Today, we are going to give you the FX Hunter exact settings on gold. And these are going to be the exact settings that we're also going to set up on the live stream. You guys can see right now, if you're watching this video before we start the live stream, it's at $12,361, okay? You guys are gonna be able to go ahead and basically copy these exact settings and test with us. And as you guys can see right here, we have a crazy win rate with a crazy high profit factor. So let's go ahead and go through the settings. Basically, what we're gonna go ahead and do is essentially kind of enable it to our account size so that way you guys can kind of have a similar profit factor. We changed the risk management. We ended up adding a bunch of different things into the profit management. You guys can see right here what we exactly have right now. And we're going to go ahead and explain every single one of these settings in future videos. But for right now, just copy these right here. This is the new give back percentage section. And we have this on TP3. You guys are going to be able to go ahead and select that. Besides that, we have live mode. That's the only thing that we really go ahead and change. And then the daily drawdown is something that we also added. If you guys wanted to go ahead and have a daily drawdown limit, for example, if you have a prop firm, you only can lose a certain amount, you can do that. Or let's say you want to go ahead and have your daily profit amount as well. Hey, I win 2% today. I want everything shut off, no alerts. You can do so right there as well. I'm going to keep on scrolling. You guys can go ahead and select all the same settings. So that way we're pretty much firing the same results that you're going to see on the live stream. Okay. Keep in mind that I need your engagement. So if you have any questions, please feel free to join us on the live stream. It's running right now as we speak, and you guys can ask me any single questions. All right. Happy trading, guys.